Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're out here today. We're gonna be doing some fishing. Of course, what else would I be doing on a Sunday afternoon? Today is Super Bowl Sunday. You guys are gonna be seeing this week later from right now, but it is Super Bowl Sunday. We got the Kansas City Chiefs and the San Francisco 49ers out on the field getting ready for today's big game. I can't wait. Who do you guys got? Leave that down in the comments. Actually, no, you already know who won. That's stupid of me. But anyways, yes, we are out on the ice today. I'm at the same place as we were at last weekend with Justin, Jenna, and my father. We're going to be out on the ice today. They're already out there. I'm going to meet them out there. They've already got some action, some pickerel, one small pike. So, you know what? I just need to get my gear on, and I need to get out there on the ice. You guys stay tuned for this killer video. So we just got out on the ice. I'm out here right now. I'm just going to show you where we are right now and what it looks like around me. So, we have the shanty right there. The shanty's right there. It was right here, but they wanted to move it. My dad and Justin, they felt like they wanted to move it. We're in this little bay area, as you can see. It's a magnet for pike and pickerel and big perch. So hopefully we can get some more tip-ups to go up. We've caught a pike and 4 pickerel so far. Before I got here, or got out on the ice here, I'm here now. Hopefully we'll get some more action. And that's just about it. That's the gist. Now, I will say last weekend for that video, we were way out there. Like, we were on that shoreline way over there. Whenever we come to this lake, these are the 2 spots that we go. We go in here, or we go back there. I got a flag as I was videoing right behind me. Okay, we got this flag right here. I'm gonna turn the GoPro on, put you guys on the chest. Here we go. It's not spinning, but this one at wind trigger. No, but this one at wind trigger.
I don't know, we've got a couple today without.
With this?
Yeah. Have we maybe?
Straight down, isn't it? Yeah, nothing on it.
Bobber's down far.
Yeah, something was dragging it. The bob was down pretty far. Flag, 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 flag. That must have fished. Huh?
Oh, she's going. Oh, she's going. She's going. That's Jay-Z's. Oh. Grab Jay-Z's. Nice one?
No. Oh, it's spit off. It was just a baby pickerel. Guys, so as I have gotten out here, from the time that I got out here, we had what, 3 tip-ups in a matter of, I don't even know, 3 tip-ups went off right at the same time, probably within 3 minutes of each other, all wind trip. I just got tip up there. That was a small pickerel. I saw it at the hole. Wasn't anything big, so I'm not too unhappy about it not coming up through the ice. And then we had another wind trip flag right there. A lot of flags, a lot wind tripped, but hopefully we can get an actual fish through the ice, a flag that is not wind tripped. Hopefully. Stay tuned. What even? Like, what was that? I don't even know what was coming out of my mouth. I don't even think I was speaking English there. Like, what? How big was the perch?
Across this pail right here. Really? And it had a stomach like you wouldn't believe. Just like.
Are you sure it wasn't a bass?
It was a perch.
You can pull largemouth out of here, you know.
The 2 orange fins on the belly, and I saw the black stripes. It was beauty.
Was it really? It's not moving right now. Well, it definitely did move. It's now straight. No, it's straight down though. Oh, oh. Oh,
Going.
Yeah.
it's just a pickerel. Nothing big. Oh, this is actually a good pickerel.
Whoa!
Another good pickerel.
Oh, I think we need to keep that, don't you?
That's a good pickerel.
Nothing big. Nothing big.
That's big for a pickerel.
3 point. I was gonna say 3.25.
You think this is 3.25?
No. 3 point. I'm gonna say don't tell me. I'm not going. I'm gonna say 3.39.
Jenna,
3.28.
you're both wrong. You're both low. 3.68.
3.68. Nice pickerel. That's a good pickerel.
I think we're gonna.
Pickerel don't usually get that big.
Keep it.
Right, guys, just pulled this nice pickerel through the ice. The one I caught last weekend was a little over 4, I think 4.3 pounds. This is 3. This was what, 3.6? So yeah, not bad. It's a nice fish for a pickerel, and we're gonna put this bad boy on the ice, and we're gonna eat it later. All right, guys, we got a flag. Jenna, this is Jenna's. I know.
No, but it's swaying back and forth.
Well, that's the wind, Dad.
See the bobber?
You gotta check. No, I don't see a bobber.
It's straight down. Oh no, it's off to the side. It's way off to the side.
Yeah, you gotta play this one, JZ. Maybe something's on it. Should be. Feel anything?
That's way off to the side.
Something definitely had it.
Yeah.
Unless the middle.
Look how many lines out. How much line's out?
Yeah, something definitely had it.
Check, see if the middle's still on or alive.
A lot of line was out. It was off to the side, definitely.
Oh, play right here. Right behind. I just saw that go up.
All right, Jenna, you want this one? Oh, it's spinning.
Oh, wow. That's gonna get. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, that is going
The
off.
water swirling.
Go, Jenna.
The water's just swirling.
Oh, feels good.
Feels good.
Coach, the water in the side of the bowl was going.
All right, Dad. Shh. What do you got, Jenna? She said it feels good. That was peeling.
It's small. It was peeling line like crazy. Boy, it took a lot of line. Look at the line it took.
Yes.
Oh,
Just got off?
yep.
I didn't even see it.
What was that?
That was good too.
That was a nice one.
I didn't even see it.
I didn't see the fish at all. What?
Oh. All right, I'll get this one. We got one way out here, guys. This is the furthest flag. We're gonna be doing a lot of running today. I tell you that much. They call me Usain Bolt. I tell you. All right. Yeah. This one's spinning.
Any size?
No, just a pickle. Oh, we got another flag.
Right here.
We put that fish down. We're gonna go get this flag now. All right. Whew.
Good spot.
Is this going?
That one's not moving like the one she got 2 minutes ago.
Well,
It's just peeling.
it could have been small though. We don't know. I just wish we saw it.
JZ, was there good weight to that other one?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
was
It's a good one. No.
I hate not knowing.
I do too.
I'm out of breath.
6-pound pickerel? Was it a 8-pound pike?
Just caught this nice little pickerel, and now we're gonna get the release. There he goes. Off he goes. All right, guys. Yeah, that was a lot of action. I hope you guys can hear me right now. It's not as windy as what it was in the last video, so I'm pretty sure you can, hopefully, but that was a lot of action. I am winded right now. I'm definitely out of shape. Yeah, definitely out of shape. But Oh man, Jenna had a nice fish. It started with that first flag. Jenna had a good one on. Literally that thing, when we were running up, as you guys saw, that the flag, it was peeling on top, and like the water in the hole, it was just like going like a toilet bowl. It was just going round and round. Like, we think it was big. We didn't get to see the fish. We didn't get an eye on it. It popped off the hook before, but wish we could have seen it. Don't know what it was, but doesn't matter. We still got about an hour or so left of fishing. We're gonna make the most of it. Hopefully get some more fish for you guys. You stay tuned. Pick up. Is it a wind? Is it a wind trip, Dad? Is it a wind trip though? Huh? Yeah, straight up and down. Yeah, it's a wind trip. Jenna?
No, he's got it.
All right, Dad.
He's got it.
Oh, he's got it.
Oh, he's going.
Something's got it. Come here, little f***er. You want this thing? You want a piece of me? Huh? You want a little something? A little something? Oh, shit! He let go. That son of a bitch. He let go. Oh, he got my man. That son. We're leaving it here. We're leaving this one. Yeah.
All right.
You got a little piece of me?
All right, guys. Jenna just caught this beautiful largemouth bass. Look at that football. Look at the stomach on that thing. It is a legit football. Jenna, how much did it weigh?
3 1/4.
3 1/4 largemouth. Let's get the release on this guy. Beautiful, beautiful fish through the ice, unexpected. They're always fun to catch through the ice. There he goes. Put her there.
Come on, JC, let's go!
I'm running to this flag. It's way out there. Usain Bolt is on the run. We're going. This is like the Olympics on ice. This is the Fish Olympics. And yeah, hopefully there's actually a fish on this one. It'll really suck if there isn't. We're running, we're running. Coming up, coming up. That's a wind flag.
Oh, come on.
That's straight down. That's the beauty of ice fishing. You never know. It could be a wind trip, it could be a big fish, it could be an in-betweener, it doesn't matter. That's what makes it fun. It's always an adrenaline rush when the flag goes up. All right, guys, time check for you guys. It is a little after 1 right now. It's 1:15, 1:15. We've been on the ice for it's been over an hour right now. We've had a couple pickerel. I caught a really nice one, a couple small ones. Jenna lost a big fish just underneath the hole. She caught a nice largemouth. That was a surprise catch by far. That was a nice fish. That was a beautiful largemouth to pull through the ice. So yeah, that was a pleasant surprise. But yeah, we got that. And other than that, it's been a lot of wind trips. But you know what? Hey, not a bad day so far. Hopefully, within this last hour that we are out here, the fish will continue to bite and the flags will continue to go up. It's not as windy today. It's a beautiful day. It is low 30s. It's about 32 to 35 degrees. Light winds coming from the south end of the lake blowing up our way. But yeah, all in all, a beautiful day. Fun time out here with some friends, just hanging out, having a good time. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Let's go get some more fish. All right, guys, I'm walking to a flag now, but my money is there's nothing on it because that's been a wind trip this whole time. Like literally every time this flag has gone up, there's been a wind trip. The only time it hasn't, Jenna caught a 3 1/2 pike. We got that on video. That was the first fish of the day. But yeah, this has just been a wind flag. I wouldn't be surprised if it's another. Yep, and it's a wind trip. Straight down. It's straight down, Dad. And if I'd let you have it.
I don't want it. I just want to check the
Big Dave's old timer. Yeah, I got a perch, baby. Dad, you were right, but it's not Big Bertha like you were looking for.
Oh.
What the hell?
Guys, I just dropped this nice little spoon down there. No grubs or anything. We don't have any grubs. I just caught this perch instantly. Oh, Jenna's got a flag.
Yellow one. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Look at that beautiful perch, guys. Nice little perch. We're gonna get him back in the water. Let him go. There he goes. Guys, Jenna's got a flag. I'm gonna run over. How does that get wind tripped?
It's got, but it's something's taking it about 4 inches. That bobboard's right up to the eye.
Yeah.
You should check the minnow just to make sure.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, I'll go! Oh, no, I got it! Come on, Jenna. What do you got? Yeah, that took a lot of line out. Big!
Whoa!
That's a nice pickerel!
Another good pickerel!
We should keep that.
It's honest.
Alright, Dad, I'm coming! Oh! Hey, can I drop him? Drop him. Okay. Alright, guys. Oh! I got that one! Dad, go get that! Oh, 2 flags! We got 2! Okay! Okay, guys, we got 4 flags up right now! This is crazy! Oh my god! We have a flag here! We have a flag there! We have a flag where my dad is out there! And Jenna just got a flag over there! Woo! Alright guys, there's a fish on this one. I got something. I don't know what. Guys, just caught this nice little pickerel. I'm gonna get the release on him right now. There he goes, just like that. Now we gotta see what Jenna got a bass. Guys, and my dad just pulled this nice largemouth through the ice. Another nice one. I'm gonna unhook it and get a release on it. All right, guys, this is a beautiful bass my dad caught. We just let Jenna's go. I'm gonna get the release on this guy. There he goes, just like that.
This one's been quiet today too.
There's something. This is. Oh, it's a pike.
It's a pike, Coach. Yeah, it's a pike.
Hey, I'll take a pike.
Not a big one, but it's a pike.
Hey, pike! All right, guys, just caught this nice snaky northern. It's a beautiful northern pike. Nice markings, nice colors, beautiful tail. But yeah, today, great day out on the ice. I'll get to that in just a second. I want to get the release on this guy. There he goes, off and strong to get bigger so we can catch him again. Beautiful day outside today, guys. It's been a gorgeous day outside. Beautiful weather, not too windy. Sun came out, mid 30-degree day. Yeah, we got 10 pickerel, 2 pike, 3 largemouth bass, and a perch, a nice size, decent sized perch for the day. That is a great day out on the ice. It was great to be out with Justin, Jenna, and my father once again. Please, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. The subscribe button's down there. It's optional. It's there for a reason. You can hit it. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think. And guys, until the next Northern Expanse expedition, I'll see you soon.